good all my stock market bulls and bears? I am your host, Terry Stonker, and welcome to my channel, baby. Buy the dip. All right, guys, we're here. There is a potential short squeeze happening right now with this ticker symbol SDC, Smile Direct Club. There was a tweet put out earlier today. We're going to get right into it. At Will Mead, we covered this with him before. He is a great guy. He has phenomenal information. He has right here. He posted an hour ago. SDC, short interest, almost 40% now. Wow. Top 3 most shorted stocks according to S3, which S3 is like the most expensive, I guess you could say, short interest platform that you can purchase, which is Ihor Duganowski, that we've covered him on the channel before. He posts the short interest on stocks. And right here, Will must have that program, and he is posting that Smile Direct Club is at a short interest of 39%, and the price was $5.74. The stock right now is heading to the moon. See where we're at. Saying at 5.9. It's kind of, it was down here, guys. Today this thing was trading at 5.23. He posted that tweet, and you can see it just kind of been going up today. We're up over 20%. I currently do have this stock. I'm in the low $5 range on this, and I didn't buy this for an actual short squeeze candidate. I actually bought this stock because I was interested in this stock back when it was $10, and I actually bought an options contract on it a long time ago, and it just kind of fell flat because, you know, the pandemic hit, and no one was going getting their teeth done. Let's put it that way. That's what this does. This is like a more affordable version of Invisalign. So that's what the Smile Direct Club is. You have some teeth, you want to get them fixed. You can go to them. They have, you know, places all over. You can get your grill all straightened up and fixed. And that's what they do, man. I think people are going to start taking care of themselves again. And maybe now, if, you know, we can get back to somewhat normalcy, which who knows when that'll be, people may go back and start, you know, taking care of themselves and getting their teeth done. Here we are, looking at it on the Fintel website. We're going to take a look at what we got here. It says shares outstanding is 118,672,000. So let's just call it 119 million shares outstanding, guys. Ownership accumulation, they're kind of right dead in the middle. If we go here to the short interest, keep in mind, 119 million shares outstanding. It says here that the short interest is 34 million shares. So what did we say here? Let's go to the calculator out real quick. Calculator, we had 119 million shares subtracted. We're just going to go with 34 million. Oh, I did one too many. 119 minus 34. Sorry, guys. I'm not used to doing big numbers like that. But, yeah. Here we go. So, if we take the ownership, we're just going to round it to 119 million. We're going to go to the short interest is about 34 million. That leaves us with, make this bigger, 85 million shares left. So very low float stock, I would say, for 85 million. It says here short interest ratio is 5.5 days to cover. Short interest is basically 34.5%. Has kind of an average short squeeze score, actually, of 57.41, but that doesn't mean the short squeeze score could be 100, and it still doesn't mean that it's going to short squeeze. As we know, the most important thing when it comes to any kind of short squeeze is volume. You need volume. You need people buying up the stock. If you could have the 100% short interest, but if people's not buying it, it's not going to short squeeze. It needs volume. And I do think that this stock, now let me adjust this. Here we go. Think about right there. Yeah, this stock now is going to get some attention on, I think, maybe, you know, us retail investors. You can see there's still 2.5 million shares here available at the exchange. It's not really expensive to short the stock, but it does have a short interest, you know, that's pretty darn high. And it's cheap enough. I think people, honestly, looks like it's coming down a little bit now, but I'll back up 623. But I think people see a $5, $6 stock and they want to get in it early. I think that's what it is. You know, with BBIG around $11, you got SPRT around 20. That's, you know, a little bit somewhat expensive. People want to get in early. Like, I got in at like 5.5, guys. So we're looking pretty good on this one. If it comes back down, I'm okay with it. I didn't buy this one for the short squeeze, actually. I bought a small position in this. Like I said, just because I thought it was more of a recovery play with people going out and going to, like I said, get their teeth looked at and things like that. We can take a quick look on their website right here. And you can see here, love your smile. If you go to pricing, I think this is one good thing. They have like affordable options for people. They have a really nice looking website. You can see here, Smile Pay, $89 a month. You convenient monthly payments, no credit checks, no forms. You do a $250 deposit, and then you basically do $89 a month or less for 24 months. So you pay a little bit more, but that's okay. If you have enough money, you could pay $1,950 for the single. Say it's a single pay, it's a one-time payment. So not bad. If you go look at Invisalign, that thing's like $4,000 and $5,000. I remember I knew someone that went and got a quote for Invisalign. I think it was close to $6,000. So Smile Direct Club coming in at a huge discount, you know, like 66% off of the price. So that is a big difference, guys. This is one, like I said, put this on your radar. I still think it's $6. I'm thinking I'm looking to ride this up to, you know, $8, $10 is what my goal was on this, buying it into fives. But I didn't expect it to have this short squeeze potential. I didn't think this was a heavily shorted stock. And honestly, I never looked at it on the FinTel as a, you know, there you go. Here's a comparison. I never looked at it as a short squeeze candidate. I actually looked at this as a more of a recovery play. That's what I looked at this at. Here's the comparison. Average, yeah, average on Invisalign is $5,200. The average on traditional braces is $5,600, and the cost for Smile Direct Club is $1,950. So I think if Smile Direct Club starts getting more people and they start hurting the bottom line on Invisalign, don't be surprised if we see Invisalign come down on their prices too. Competition is good. When there's competition, who makes out? You, me, the retail buyers, man. We all make out because people's going to be, you know, getting the best deal out there. I mean, if I can go here for $1,950 and it's going to cost me $5,200, yeah, I think I'll save that $3,200 right there. I mean, I'd rather $3,200 to put in the stocks. I'm going to get the very same similar product through Smile Direct Club. So, kind of seems like a no-brainer. So, like I said, man, go follow Will Mead here. He posted this an hour ago at real Will Mead. The guy puts out phenomenal plays. So go check him out. Like I said, I'm just shocked that this is a short squeeze, and hopefully it keeps running up. Let's take one quick peek at it before we leave this here. And it's running up again, 623. Oh, it's coming back down, 612. So we'll see what it does. I think this is the first kind of potential run for this, so we'll see what happens. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the thumbs up, check out the links down below, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.